Hello, YouTube viewers. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope that you will enjoy this new creation that I am sharing with you. But before that, I would like to say that I hope that everyone enjoyed their holidays, and I am glad that you're here because I know that you will enjoy this. So, this creation here was inspired by the background. The background is actually a holiday card that I am using. I found it so interesting. Look at the details on that card. The door, the leaves, everything is just beautiful about it. So I said to myself, well, I can use this as an entrance and place one of my Santas right in front. I have several Santas, and this one is just perfect. Look at his height and look at the height of the door. It looks like he came right out of that home. So this is his home. He's holding a tree, and I added these plastic or glass trees. They're actually glass, I believe. They're very delicate. So I have them in my Christmas stash, and I said these would be beautiful because they have all the ice on them, the snow, and everything here revolves around the snow. As the snow, I am using a long piece of felt, which I have plenty of. It's a roll of white felt. I added some trees. This is a tree from the Dollar Tree. I have several of these trees. I have one on this corner also. And I also have these pieces here. These are nail filers and they're brand new. They have never been used. So I am using them right here just because they have a little bit of red. And I have some on this side too. Now here I have these lampposts. These are from my village houses. I am sure that most people in your Christmas stash, you might have these pieces if you have any village house. And you know, the Dollar Tree sells similar ones. Maybe not the same quality like this, but maybe plastic. The Dollar Tree sells these little items. So just from your Christmas stash, if you gather up certain items, you can make a creation like this and even maybe keep it as a display throughout Christmas. This one will probably be dismantled. I'm actually thinking of maybe doing it again and expanding around it. Maybe where I have my nutcrackers, and maybe I can bring it back to you, but with more detail. Now behind the card, you see some gold. That is a card box that I'm using. A card box. Now I think I mentioned, maybe I didn't, but you see this brick wall? This is actually a box that I bought at the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree had several sizes. I have two on this side. But because they have a brick look, they were perfect for a wall. So this is it. This is it. I hope that you have enjoyed the idea for a display like this. And thank you so much for watching.